Hey, what's up, Smiling Coast gang? It's your boy King CVB back with another video. Feel me? Hope y'all taking care of yourself. It's Rona going around. Feel me? Stay clean. Take care of yourself. Huge shout out to everybody who's still sharing my channel or whatever. I really do appreciate it. And today I'm gonna be doing a curl routine for my guys out there. Feel me? Get your confidence up. Be going crazy. Dropped a video yesterday. Really just trying to stay consistent, you feel me? Maybe like a daily upload or whatever. But yeah, yesterday I had dropped a video. If y'all ain't see it, y'all should probably go check it out. And yeah, before we get into it, I just want to say thank you to everybody once again. And yeah, guys, let's keep going crazy. So, I'm actually about to take a shower or whatever. And then when I get done, I'll be showing you step by step what you need to get curls or whatever. I got the strand twist in right now. These boys out, so yeah. So once I take a shower, I'm gonna be back with y'all. Peace, KCBB. What up, y'all? Just got my hair washed out. That's what it looks like, pretty much. Been doing this routine for about 4 or 5 months now, I think. Yeah. All guys out there rocking the frozen stuff, don't worry about it, because over time, your hair gets used to it. Yeah, it comes out like this, even when you wash the product out. And I'll be getting into the 5 must-haves in order to get your hair popping. I got y'all. I'm downstairs, and hope y'all are ready, man. These are the 5 things you need to get your curls popping. So, first we're gonna start with the actual curl cream. Now this is Tgin, something I found off a YouTuber named King Brill. Feel me? It works really well. Yeah, it does magic. And if y'all guys out there are still using can 2, that's tough, because I'm about to change your life. It's just not the way to go. While using it, I noticed that after even keeping it in for 3 hours, it's like my hair dries white, and it's just not the look you're going for, guys. For all the guys out there still using can 2, I'm about to break your heart, buddy. You feel me? That's a no-no. It's trash. Say goodbye. Yep, I said it, guys. Can 2 is trash, and that's my point of this video. This Tgin is next level. I don't know how big I'm gonna get. If I do get really big, feel me? Probably get a sponsor or whatever. Something light. Let's see. And next, I wanna move on to the most slept on product. And don't get messed up. Shea Moisture really does its thing. If there's one thing y'all should know, is that deep condition is different from conditioner, and this literally changed everything in my hair. This is deep conditioner, most slept on. People go and they buy stuff like can 2 or whatever, and it's like, nah, you really don't need that stuff. First and foremost, what you need to do is go get you some deep condition. What this does is it puts vitamins in your hair. That way, see the little shake in my hair? That's what the deep conditioner does, and it really brings out the darkness in my hair. Simple! Simple. Moving on. Item 3 on the 5 things you need for your curls is Eco Gel. Yup. This stuff, it actually locks your curls. That way, hours after doing your hair, you feel me? Everything is still intact and it looks good. So that's what the gel is for. You know, you can always play around with it. All right, so right now, y'all, we're down to 2 more things left on the list. 5 things you need for your curls to pop. And this next step is pretty basic. I mean, I swear to God, every guy out there has a pick. Yep, believe it or not, you need a pick, y'all. What the pick does is used to level your curls when you get done with everything, so everything's popping. If you prefer for everything to fall down, If you got longer hair than I do, my hair is about, say, 1 year old. Feel me? I had cut it off when I started playing football or whatever. This is just called leveling your hair. So what you want to do is get the tips of the pick and push it right in and pull it up gently. And yeah, do the same until you work your way to the back. Last but definitely not the least, y'all are gonna need a bonnet. Yeah, I said it, guys, bonnet. Anybody out there doing curls, regardless of your sex, you have to have a bonnet. That way, when you sleep at night, you don't wake up with like nappy ass hair. That, y'all, we're gonna get started. See y'all. Step 1 would be deep condition, curl cream on, gel, leveling your hair, and going to sleep. You need a bonnet. So yeah, I said it, you heard it from the king. So yo, what you wanna do when you apply your deep condition, you wanna apply it onto your hair. You gotta damp your hair, make it wet real quick. Then get about this much. I don't know if y'all can see it clearly. Yeah. Then you wanna rub it. Got an auntie or whatever, y'all could definitely grab a blow dryer. It's good for your hair when you got deep conditioner in. Just speeds the process. If y'all don't have this, y'all can always wait about 10 minutes after applying it and then wash it out in warm water. Hot water is not necessary because it really just destroys your hair. So I wouldn't advise that. Yeah, I got y'all. So I just got done deep conditioning, about to wash it out real quick. Hey, shout out to all my Gambian viewers, as well as my American folks. I love y'all, feel me? And yeah, I'm gonna be back with y'all once I get this. Next step, we move on to Tgin. Best part of the operation, right here. Apply onto your hair. Yeah. Get it, boys. After keeping your hair for about 2 months, the sponge is really unnecessary, to be honest with y'all. Yeah, as y'all can see, my hair is starting to fall. Everything's even, and bam. All right, guys, we made it to the 4th step. This is gonna be the gel. Nothing crazy, same amount. Y'all, it doesn't matter how much you use. Yeah, as y'all can see, curls are really starting to form. I know the lighting's terrible, so it makes my hair look white. But I got y'all. No, I was talking smack about Cantu earlier on. But yeah, this hair shine actually tops off everything like really well. It really brings a nice definition to your curls and gets you attention after getting like a crisp haircut. Yeah. If y'all need any hair tips, you can always hit me up on my Instagram or Snap, feel me? Any social media platform. Apart from my comment section, guys. See a lot of people been doing that. You can always DM me. I got y'all. Let's take a look. This is the final product. So y'all can see curls popping or whatever. And yeah. As I said, I've been doing this for 4 months. It always works, never fails me. So yeah, I feel like we reached the end of this video. I really do appreciate everybody who's made it this far, and hopefully my tips and routine helped y'all in a way. Now y'all know how I get my hair popping like this. I'll stay up, take care of yourself, stay clean. Feel me, this Rona gonna go away. Just keep everybody in your prayers. You feel me? Let's keep going up. Smiling Coast Gang. I love you guys. It's been real with y'all. KCBB signing out.